What's up, Yarny Box Crocheters? Today I'm going to be showing you the half double crochet stitch. Don't forget to head to yarnybox.com and sign up for free with your email to get a pattern delivered to your inbox every 2 weeks. To start off the half double crochet, we're going to yarn over before inserting our hook. So yarn over, insert your hook, make sure you're going through both loops, pull the yarn through, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. So yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. That's all there is to it to a half double crochet. So one more time, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And here I'm just showing you what an increase looks like. So you're just placing 2 half double crochets in one stitch, and that would be an increase with half double crochet. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more tutorials.